Is your hallway ceiling crying out for a little more personality? Swap out that boring light for a bold fixture. A stylish pendant or modern chandelier can instantly transform the space. Not only will it elevate the room's aesthetic, but it will also create a striking focal point that grabs attention and adds character.
See how this is off center? When you've got a ceiling pendant like this, you're gonna change it for a modernised light fitting. I'm gonna show you what that looks like, because at the moment it's off center to the decorative moulding.
Modern ceiling lights have evolved from simple functional pieces to becoming true art forms. Designers now create visually striking lights that incorporate unique materials, such as glass, metal, and even recycled materials. Some fixtures can be as captivating as sculptures, adding a statement to any room. That's why, with these intricate pendant lights, it's crucial to follow the instructions carefully. Proper installation ensures that your beautiful, complex fixture not only functions safely, but also maintains its artistic integrity. Improper installation can lead to the need for more extensive repairs or even full replacements. Whether it's rewiring or reassembling parts, these repairs can be costly and time-consuming. If you're unsure about the installation process, it's always best to call a professional electrician.
They say do it with it up. The lights on and off. Interesting. Yeah? So, if you look here, you see how this is off center?
Oh no!
I'm going to put it in the middle nicely. Okay. Alright, so we're going to turn off the circuit.
Always ensure that you turn off the electricity supply before exposing any live connections. If you are unsure about working with electricity, then please consult a registered electrician.
This is like a little nice one. We was just having a laugh. Alright. That's all in. Yeah, you can record that. anything like that. Wow, you're going to see the beauty in this when it comes on. Yeah.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Denise from Royal Installation, and today we're gonna replace these wall lights with one of these lovely wall lights here. It just gets wound and left like this without any sheath or anything else, which is not good practice. So depending on the type of wall, this one's this brick. We're going to use a SDS drill. Hack, they call it, is to rub it along your screwdriver. Is trying to use these Wagos. Very good, lifesaver. Yeah, so they have the entry at the top and the bottom. When selecting light bulbs, it's important to get the right mood and the look for the light. Particularly so let's turn on the lights and see what we get.
Wow.
Yeah, and you can see that warm effect on the warm white light bulbs. We've got another happy customer. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, stay tuned for another video. Thank you.